Hey guys, just thought I'd share this. I put it on Facebook a while back, but I got some of these at the Restore. Pella window locks. These ones actually are keyed the same, but that's okay. They don't quite pick the same. This one is a Truth. There's a new one on me. That one came with the housing. So much easier to hold. And this one's just a blah. Schlage style. But anyway, got them for 50 cents a piece. Now that's a pretty darn good deal. A nice easy practice anyway. There's that one. That one had some nasty bitting too. And then I'll save these Pellas for last. This Truth, I don't know if maybe that's the name of the key, but it's got a key code on it. I've never heard of a Truth, but hey, it's fun. But like I said, Restore is a good place to go to. I mean, they got whole lock sets, but I went to the parts drawer or bin they had, and they had all these, so I was like, 50 cents a piece, I'll take them. There's that one. Now these little Pella windows, they have some really neat spring tension to them. It gives you some good practice on tensioning. Get that tension just right. There's another one. And like I said, this one's keyed the same, but it doesn't pick the same. Like most locks, it depends on how it's drilled and all that fun stuff. But finally got a nice sunny day, casual day off. So I get to do some catch up on my picking. Should have done these first. It's starting to cramp my fingers. Got a couple of sets already. Hi.
What are you growing?
Topping of stop then.
What are you growing here?
Well, that was, sorry about the pause there. Joys of living in a campground. You're sitting outside your free game to talk to. And get this set up right. So, that's nice, friendly people. It's just, they don't realize I'm trying to do a video here. Give my fingers a break, I guess. If you hear people screaming, don't worry. It's just the amusement park next door. But yeah, if you can ever find a hold of these Pella locks, they're a pretty fun little pick with a spring tension. I'm gonna reset. I don't know how many times on these. Oh, there's a nice click there. There we go. But yeah, they're 5-pin. Not a horrible bitting. Not great, but like I said, they're all bit the same. Darn it. Pardon my phone dropping. My little tripod doohickey broke, cracked the thing. So, but this part will fit on any tripod, so that'll be good for something else. But it's good to be back making a video, and I'm not as prolific as I used to be, and definitely not as prolific as Mr. Capoon. And I miss making videos. Keep it legal. Oh, and let me put you on another pause real quick. I want to show you something else. All right, I'm back. Let's move this stuff out of the way. So, where I'm working, there's trucks going in and out. And I found out yesterday that somebody lost a key to one of the locks on the trailer about 3 weeks ago. And they tried anything and everything to get this lock off. It was a Master 930 solid steel. They cut it off of the latch because they couldn't do it. I said, well, shit, I wish I'd have known. Bolt cutters broken. Hammers, more broke. Bolt cutters, more hammers. God knows what else they used. Something about acid. And it's still locked. I've tried picking it. I've got the core to move, but they beat the shit out of it so much that the shackle doesn't move at all. So as much shit as we give Master Lock for their cores, you gotta give them props for their body. I mean, that is an amazing hole. That destroyed a pair of bolt cutters. I said if I'd have known, I would have had it off in about 2 minutes. But I'm thinking they're going to remember me now. So that is a piece of garbage now, because there's no way to even get the core out unless I drill that right there. I could drill that, maybe get it out, but I don't think it's worth it. The rest of the lock is screwed. So anyway, I hate to say a good thing about Master, but their bodies are solid, massive. So anyway, obviously keep it legal. I would have only messed with it if they asked me to specifically, and keep it legal is the best thing. And have a good day. Thank you.